Hello guys, for this video, I am going to share you about my knowledge in rational function. Before we continue our lesson, I am introducing myself. I am Jeffrey Arnanez and I am a student Maquinas National High School. And for our objective for today, knowing what is rational function and how to solve it. And now let's go. And now we're here. What is rational function? Rational function is a function of a form of f of x where f of x and q of x are polynomials. And also the denominator is not equal to 0. It means when you say rational function, it is a polynomials. A polynomials has an over. An example like this. This is an example of rational function. F of x is equal to x plus 2 over x plus 5. Because when we say rational function, it is a polynomial and also is not equal to 0, the denominator. And let's try. F of x is equal to 5x minus 2. Do you think this is a rational function? No. This is not a rational function. Because I say rational function is a polynomials. And number 2. F of x is equal to 3x minus 1 over 2x plus 2. Do you think this is a rational function? Yes, this is a rational function because it is a polynomials. And number 3, f of x is equal to 2x minus 1 over x plus 1. Do you think it is a rational function? Yes, this is a rational function. And number 4, f of x is equal to 6 plus 1 greater than 0. Do you think this is a rational function? No. Because this is not a polynomials. And number 5. F of x is equal to x plus 1 and also x minus 1. Do you think this is a rational function? And now, this is a rational function. And now, you know what is rational function and also how are you going to know that? And now we're going to know how to solve it, rational function. And how to going to solve rational function. First, you must find the domain, which is the domain. Domain is the denominator. To find the domain, you're going to equate to 0. You must equate to 0 because it is the way of you find rational function. And also when you're going to solve the rational function, you must find the range. The range is the sub 3 cases. And the 3 cases is first is the when the coefficient when the exponent which means You know exponent or no? No. The exponent is like an example like that. This is the exponent. When the exponent is same as here, like this, you must divide it. You must divide the coefficient, and that is the first cases. Yeah, you know. And the second, when the denominator is, the exponent is big and the numerator is small, the exponent is like this, you must have no exception. And that is the second cases. When, like example like this, 3 and 4, and the exponents is like this, 2 and 6. That is the example of second cases. And what will you do? You write, when you find the range is y such that y are all elements of real numbers where y is not equal to all real numbers are no exception like this. And for the last cases, if the problem is this, 6 and 4, the numerator of exponents is bigger than the denominator. If you see like that problem in rational function, you must write y such that y are all elements of real numbers are not equal to 0. And that is how you're going to solve how you're going to find domain and range. And that is the part how you to solve rational function. And now, let's try. This is an example of rational function. And now we're going to find the domain. How are you going to find the domain? First, you must equate to 0 the denominator, which means 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, like that. And you must this equate to 0, and you write 2x equals negative 1. And you write 2x 2 and cancel it, and now your domain is negative 1/2. You write x such that where x are all elements of real numbers where x is not equal to negative 1/2. And that is your domain. It's easy. And for the range, the cases of the range is the first cases. Did you remember the first cases when their exponents are same? You must divide the coefficient. And now you're going to divide the coefficient. But it's too small. You must write and copy na lang. And y such that y are all elements of real numbers where y is not equal to 3/2. And that is range. And now you know what is rational function and how to solve it. I hope you learned some more, and thank you for listening to me, and that's all.